Let's make one more exercise in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the thin extrude, full round fillet, and hold. So open your Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint, and the first thing that we make, we create the outside edge here, a line here. We have all the dimensions here, okay? So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 75 millimeters, another line here, make an arc here, and another arc here, and a line here, okay? Go to constraints and select tangent. This arc must be tangent with this line and tangent with this arc, and this arc must be tangent with this line too, okay? Now go to modify, select fillet, make a fillet here with 20 millimeters. Now go to sketch dimension, the distance here 20 millimeters, the radius here 20 millimeters, the radius here 10 millimeters, and this line here has 25 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point here and this point here. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point here and this point here. Okay, we made this, finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 30 millimeters and the thickness is 10 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, the type, select thin extrude, select this line here, and the extended type, select the distance, the direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, the distance here is 30 millimeters, and the wall thickness here is 10 millimeters, okay? And the direction, the wall location here is the side one, okay? Operation new body, press OK. We made this. Now we needed to create this fillet here. We use the full round fillet to make this. So go to modify, select the fillet, the type, select the full round fillet, and select this face here. And add selection set, select this face here. And press OK. We made this, okay? Now we need to create a hole here. This hole is concentric with this arc, and the diameter is 15 millimeters of diameter. So go to create, select the hole, select this face here. To add reference, select this arc, okay? The extend, select all, and the diameter here is 15 millimeters of diameter, and press OK. We made this, okay? Now press the letter A in the keyboard and select apply to face. Select this face, this one. Here in this side, I will apply the blue color, okay? And select the body component here and select the black, move the color black to this body and keep the appearance. We made this, okay? And now select the faces here and select this face and this face here and select the red color, and we made this, okay? So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.